Hello student, in this video we will discuss about the transportation in plant. So for the transportation in plant there is two complex tissue. Number one is xylem and number second is phloem. So first one we will discuss about the difference. What is the difference between the xylem and the phloem? So student, xylem transport the water and it does not require energy for transport of the water, while the phloem require the energy for the transport of the food. Then student, the next one difference, the transportation occur in xylem in one direction while the transportation occur in the phloem in all direction. And xylem is made up by the xylem parenchyma, xylem vessels, xylem fibers and tracheids, while the phloem is made up by the parenchyma, phloem fibers, sieve tubes and companion cells. So these are the difference between the xylem and the phloem. Then student, here we will discuss about the how xylem transport the water from the root to the leaves. So student, as you know, water is absorbed by root from the soil. Yes, then xylem of root and xylem of stem and the xylem of the leaves are connected together and make the continuous path for the transport of the water. These xylem connected like pipe. Okay, so because of that water can easily transport from downward side to upward side. Yes, and for this conduction of the water the concentration gradients also help in the transportation. What is the concentration of gradients? The difference between ions from one cell to another cell, so that make difference between the ions, so water can easily transfer from one cell to another cell. Apart from that, osmosis also help in the transport of the water, and the transpiration also help in it. What is the transportation, student? This is the loss of water from the axial part of the plant. So if the water will loss from the upper part of the plant from the leaves, so it will be easy to take water from the downward side, from the root to upward side. So these are the process help in the transport of water through the xylem, so that xylem does not require energy for the transportation. Then student, we will discuss here the transportation of the phloem, and phloem transport the food, and this process is known as translocation. Yes, so phloem transport the food from one part of the plant to all part of the plant in all the direction, and it transport the food in the form of sucrose. Because it transport the food in the all the direction, that's why it require energy in the form of ATP. So this is all about the transportation of plant. Thank you.